Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing the Meghan Markle royal wedding makeup. A few people have said to me that I look like her in the past, so I thought I'd do it. Who watched the royal wedding? Who cried? I cried. So if you'd like to see how to get this look, just keep watching. So I'm starting off with my brows using my NYX brow pencil, brushing them out, and I'm just mimicking the shape of her brows. They're a little bit thinner than mine and they aren't so pointed at the end, so I'm just mimicking the shape, and at the front it's not as full as mine either, so I'm just filling them in as hers would be. Then my eyes are already primed with my Revlon primer, and I'm going into this Morphe palette and that shade to set it into place. Then I can start on her eyes. So her eyes looked like they just had a wash of brown with a deep outer corner, and I know these look like they're quite dark, but actually in some pictures when she was looking down, her eye makeup did look quite dark on the lid, just not underneath. So that's what I'm going to be doing, just building up the colours and keeping it quite close as well. I'm not winging it out too much because it was all quite close together, so that's what I'm doing, building it up. And then taking a pencil brush with the same shades, but just to start to build up that outer corner. And continuing to build up just so you get that nice, gradual, subtle blend. And I'm bringing it into the inner corner ever so slightly as well, just to keep that nice blend going. And then I am continuing to deepen up the outer corner and then blending it out as well. Then once I've done that, I'm just going to continue to blend with the other shades of brown that we used before, and then really deepen it up with this final colour in the outer corner, build it up and blend it out. And as I said, yeah, there's one picture I took when she was looking down and it did look quite dark on the lid. I curled my lashes, and then I took this brown pencil in my tight line and waterline. It didn't look like she had too much in there, but there was a little something, I think. And then I am using this waterproof mascara on the top lashes just for the moment, because, you know, there may be tears, and there were tears. So moving on to the face, I'm just priming my face. Stylish. And then once I have blended that all in, then I'm going in and I'm using a BB cream instead of foundation, and I'm using some darkening drops as well just to deepen the shade. And once I've got a match, I'm just putting that all everywhere and in my hair apparently, and all over. And I wanted to use a BB cream because it looked like it didn't actually have anything on her skin. It looked so natural, so I didn't want to cake on a foundation. I just wanted to use a BB cream which would hopefully keep that nice natural look. And then I took some concealer just under my eyes and blended that all in as well. And then I took some onto any blemishes that I had, just to make sure we had a nice smooth base. And once I'd put the concealer on, I just wanted to add a little bit more. That bit was a little bit dark. Wanted to add a little bit more BB cream just to kind of sandwich the layers together, I guess, because the concealer kind of sat on top and didn't blend in as well, so I wanted to just blend it in with the BB cream and then use a brush to blend that in further. And then I just set all that into place with my RCMA No Colour Powder. Then I started to bronze up the skin. She doesn't look like she's particularly contoured, but she looked like she had a really nice wash of colour and bronzy kind of glow on her cheeks and on her cheekbones. So I just wanted to kind of replicate that, bronze up the skin and really focus it kind of on the apples of my cheeks as well as up onto my cheekbones, and continuing to do that with this next combo and just trying to replicate her lovely glow that she had. Then I'm going into this blusher from Wet n Wild just to give it another little subtle wash of colour on the cheeks. Some pictures she did look a little contoured, so I just wanted to continue to build that up, and then highlight, but like I said, focusing more on the kind of apples of the cheeks, and then forehead, down the nose, everywhere else. And then I just topped up my brows, and then going under the eyes, I just took a little bit of this initial transition shade we used. There wasn't much under her eyes, but I just wanted to put something there to tie in the top lid. And then put mascara on the bottom lashes as well, and then just add a little bit of this penciled liner, which is difficult to do when you can't wink, so I just did that because it did look quite dark along the lash line. Then I added these lashes. They're kind of like a half lash. I think she had a full strip of lashes on, but these looked nice and subtle and elegant. And then I was just topping up, and I hid some of the glue as well with the brown pencil, and then just merged the fake and real lashes together with my mascara. And then her lips look a little bit more plumped than mine, so I just used this plumping gloss to do that. And then once they had plumped up, I wiped it off and went in with this lip liner, but I really wanted to be nice and subtle with the lips because it didn't look like she had much on, so I wanted to keep it nice and subtle, so I put a little bit of a liquid lipstick on afterwards, blended that in with my finger so we got a real kind of natural coverage with it. I wasn't actually sure if I highlighted my Cupid's bow because she had a highlighted Cupid's bow, and I just went in and did that. But afterwards I put a little bit of a gloss on. This one's from Poundland, so there we are. So I just glossed up the lips a little bit and then set my brows into place to make sure that they weren't going anywhere. And then finally, I just added a few more freckles and enhanced a few of mine, as she has a few more than I do, which looked absolutely stunning. And that is the finished look. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments below if you watched, what you thought of it all. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Give this video a like, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!